what's up, people from Pufftown, YouTube? We are going through, and it's not exactly for that and you, but it's a magnetic USB. Magnetic USB. Say no more, micro USB. That's all I gotta say, UG. You know I should be speaking more fluently, but I'm not. But so we're gonna open this. Gonna get a new camera angle. Yeah. Here are the attachments. Oh wow, okay, so they came variety pack to be short as shit. God, check to make sure that you're getting the right size for yourself. Just saying. Okay, so they give you a whole bunch of these. So that's good. They give you an iPhone. They give you micro USB. Okay, here we go. This is what we're looking for. So, there. We are going to take it and put it in right there. Now it's in there. So now we are going to test it out. Got one of these cables right here. Let's get down with it. So plug it in, and it ain't charging shit. Wow, it ain't charging dookie. I didn't plug it in all the way. Ooh, ow, ow! It like actually cut me, or something like that. Oh. Okay, so there we go. It's working now. Boom. You see? Boom. Like that. Get 4 of them for $22 out the door. So, now you know. Thanks for checking it out. Show you one more time on cam if I can, which I can. Boom. Yep. Charges. Anyway, thank you guys for checking out the video. If you guys puff on. If not, poof out. Anyway, take it easy and don't scream or shout. Thanks, guys. I know they say support small businesses, but you know, puff coils, that's one thing. You can buy them directly from Mr. Bonsai or from Puff Coil Repair. Either way, I don't think you should be charged $15 for one of these things. So I'd say just link in the description below. You know, anyway, I will keep making videos and see you soon.